What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're on the Bow River in Calgary. So we're gonna fish our way along this today. Probably go down quite a ways and hopefully get in something that's fishing real good right now. So let's get at it. Let's find a way in. I don't know how deep it is right here. The ice shelf. Deeper than I thought. So ice out of the way. Woo-hoo-hoo. Pushing the ice out of the way. That's pretty cold. There's a kindergarten class telling me good job. I'm taking bottom, so I'm at the right depth. These dudes will wake up a little bit. It's pretty cold this morning. Okay. Got a sign of life. Is that a fish or a rock? Ah, it's a rock. Yeah, am I gonna break off a fly? I hope I don't break the whole rig off. I will be very sad. Oh, kept everything. Sweet. Is that a fish? That is a fish. There we go. Oh, shit, I lost him. He broke me off. All right, we need 3X on here. I messed that up and put 4X on. Damn it. Okay, good sign, good sign. Get the ice off my guides. Cast to a little better spot. Ever go on a trip and wonder what you forgot? Well, I brought my gloves because it's cold, but I brought 2 right gloves because I just bought a new pair, so I brought one old one and one new one. I was like, why isn't this working? Whoops. Okay. We walking. Hi, puppy. Hi. What's up? Hi. Hi. Oh, it's okay. I got waders on. I got dogs. need to find some fish. Well, this is my favorite spot on the bow, and I haven't been here in a couple years, so let's see if it's as good as it used to be. Just gotta get out to these pools and hope to God that my feet thaw out every time I get out. Stick. Current is stronger here. I do not want to go swimming in this icicle water. Let's see if we can cross up here. I don't know how deep it is. Might be sketchy. It's getting freaking cold, man. Don't see it either. Shut up. Stick. Well, I can't cross. So we're gonna throw a couple more here. Probably walk up all the way back to where we started and call it a day. See what happens.